Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Good evening. My name is Jonquil. I am 21 years old. I am a daughter of God. I feel so delusional. I'm not gonna lie. I feel very delusional. Like, why would God? Okay, listen. Like, I'd have no sleeping arrangements. No food. I have nowhere there. Because there's so much in me that really just wants to go back to my small town. But there's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Nothing there for me. Nothing there for me. I'm no longer in college. I can't afford that. I come from a family of poverty, so it's always been like a struggle. And I just feel like I just start packing my stuff. It's not now then when. I'm scared. I am. If you can sow monetarily, I'm sorry to be this type of person, but I don't have nothing. If you can sow monetarily, like just $1, that'll help. I promise it will. That I will be very thankful and grateful. If not, may you please repost, and if not that, then just send me a prayer that the Lord protects me wherever I go. I don't really feel like I need to hide anything else. I'm confused right now, and I know God is not the author of confusion. All right, thank you.
A few moments later.